had teachers who kind of encouraged getting students to work on things hands-on, but having that opportunity where your education isn't just a teacher who's reading something off to you or actually be able to demonstrate something is really awesome. That's something that I really enjoy.
I didn't have a makerspace in elementary school or anything like that. And I think that if I did, I would have kind of found my love for STEM and engineering a lot faster than I actually did, because I didn't really find that until high school. And I think it would have been great to be able to start pursuing that more and spark that interest when I was younger.
I absolutely will apply what I learned sort of in a makerspace area to subjects that aren't necessarily, makerspace related or STEM related, like English or like psychology, because it's really all about starting with an idea and then fleshing it out into, the possibilities that it can have.
The makerspace kind of offers a more collaborative environment that isn't offered in other areas, and this can help with interpersonal skills. It can help you communicate better and just help you create much better things together.
A lot of my classes at school, I'm sitting at a desk and I'm facing towards a teacher and they're sending information at me and I'm taking that in. Whereas in a thing like a makerspace or any other collaborative environment, instead of having one lecturer sending information at a group of people, there's instead a group of people who are having a discussion, and that's a lot more productive for picking up on concepts and learning things.
You need to have some space that can, one day be somewhere where you can talk to your peers, and the next day be somewhere where you can actually physically take a prototype and work around with it and move with it and see how that interacts with the environment without a bunch of tables in the center of it.
Well, I think if I had a space like this when I was in elementary school, I would have been a lot more excited about stuff like science and math, really any subject from an earlier age.